شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن.
What is the spirit of Sadqa-tul-Fitr?
The Sadqa-tul-Fitr is very important, you see, and why I realized this many years ago, that in Ramadan you do spend money and you give away charity and you give away food and you distribute foodstuffs. But in many societies, the moment Ramadan ends, the charity also does. The Prophet ﷺ, perhaps foreseeing this, the scholars say that this is so that the people, the poor, also are able to celebrate the Eid al-Fitr along with the others. So they also have something to share. They also have food. They also have. That is why the Sadqa-tul-Fitr is given before, in time, the Salatul Fitr or the Salatul Eid, so that people, the poor, the underprivileged, can also enjoy and also celebrate Eid with fervor and with happiness. And that is why we give this money out, and that is why this is not the same rate for everyone. Keep it in mind.
But they say it's a standard rate.
There are standard rates. So, for example, in Pakistan, we have 100 rupees. That's the minimum. That's the minimum. And if you are well-to-do, and you can give more, you can check with different ulama. The standards are always published every year. They already come out this year for every country. That is why, if you have more, give more. If there's no sin incurred, if the Sadqa-tul-Fitr was 100 rupees, for example, but you give 200 instead, this is not a sin. This will give you more reward, inshallah, from Allah. And I do believe that if one is able to do so, one should go beyond.
So what you're saying, sorry for interrupting, what you're saying is that if the Sadqa-tul-Fitr, let's say, is $5, and if we pay $20 or $30,
or 100,
so
it's still charity. It's still sadaqah. It still brings more benefits. So do that. Definitely go for it. Give as much as you can so that the poor can also share the happiness and joy that the well-to-do people have on the Eid day.